Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access all your Google apps from one place. This is a trick that you can apply to access any Google product from your Chrome browser. To do so, open your Chrome browser and then head on Google Apps at the far right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and click on it to be able to see all the Google products or all the Google apps that you can use. As you can see here, you can access search directly Maps, YouTube, Gemini, News, Gmail, Meet, even Play Store, Photos, Translate apps, and so many others just from one place. We also have extra tools like Finance, Docs, Sheets, Books, and so many other, even Google Earth products and even Google Ads, just all in one place. If you also have a website, you can also see the analytics tool is readily available at this place. Now from here, you can tap on any of them and it will directly take you to the website. For instance, if I tap on Maps, it will directly take me to Google Maps, and therefore I'll be able to access the Google Maps services just from one place. If you want to go to another website without leaving this, you can still access your Google App Store from this place. If you tap on this, you can still access other products such as email and so many others. And the good thing is it will open in a new browser so that you still maintain the previous page. If you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet on the next video. Bye bye for now.